Hello everyone. Right now I'm in my apartment in Novosibirsk, Siberia, and today I'm going to show you how I really live here and how other people live too. Let's start. So this is my room. This is where most of my life happens. He is my bed and he is my sofa. I spent a lot of time here working, editing videos and just living. I work from home, so I combine my work and daily life in one place. Also, this is a place for plants. My girlfriend grows flowers here. This is a window, and in Siberia the weather changes a lot depending on the season. Right now it's spring. This is my wardrobe with a mirror, and inside it's not only clothes. I also keep my work things here, like camera, equipment, and things for filming. This is my cat. His name is Casper. He even has clothes. I will show it a bit later. He always just sits and watches me working all day. Also, this TV, but to be honest, I don't really use it. Before TV was very popular, but now people watch YouTube more, including me. This is a hallway. Here I keep my shoes. There is a mirror. Here I leave my case. Oh, so I don't love them. And on top I keep hats, scarves, and jackets. Everything is simple and practical. This is my bedroom. In some apartments, the toilet and the bedroom are separated but here they are in one room, which is very common in Russia. This is a bathtub. Here I keep shampoo, shower gel, and everything I need. This is a thing where I wash my face and brush my teeth. And yeah, recently my toilet broke. I already ordered new parts for it online. Also, I forgot to show the washing machine. And this is my kitchen. Here is a table, and these are my cat's balls. This is a place where I cut food and on the right there is a stove where I cook. Let me show you the bridge. It is built into the kitchen. This is how it looks inside. And this is the freezer, but it is separate units. I don't really know why the owners did it like this. Maybe to save money. Here I keep plates, forks, and spoons. And I want to show you these knives. They were a gift from my girlfriend. And the stand was made by my father, so something thinks he have their own story. Also, we use a water filter. You can drink tap water, but it's better to filter it. Now I will show you the most interesting place. This room was not a room before, it was just a balcony where you could only see the street. But the owners changed it They it's made another room, and now this is my workspace. Here is my desk, keyboard, mouse, and monitor. I use a laptop, but I connect it to the monitor with a cable, so my setup looks like a full computer. All cables are hidden under the desk because I like it clean. I don't have big speakers, only one JBL speaker. Sometimes I used it to listen to music or watch movies. This is the chair where I sit. I put a blanket on it because I other sit without a short and the chair sticks to my skin. It's very comfortable. Also, this sofa here. Here's my shelf. These are things from my childhood, collectible cards and Lego. I want to build a Formula One and a motorcycle, but I don't have time for it. I already built Walter White and Jesse Pinkman Breaking Bad. These lights on the wall, which we made with my girlfriend, make this place more cozy. Also, this floor heating and heater because this in Siberia and in winter these things really helps you stay warm. Now I want to show you the entrance of the building and what the yard looks like. On the one floor there are about 8 or 9 apartments. The entrance to the fire stairs is through a separated door. In our building there are 2 elevators, one passenger and one cargo. This area is just one part of Siberian residential buildings, and it looks quite modern. So yeah, this is my life in Novosibirsk, simple and real. I hope you liked the video. Please support it with a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. And if you want to see more real life in Russia. Bye everyone.